Hello everybody, how are you all?
We are fine, and what about you?
I'm over the moon because I'm here talking with you all. Well, you know, I'm from another batch. I study in class 9 and you all study in class 8. So, today I'm here to talk with you all and say how to practice English and how to be a good speaker. So firstly, to be a good speaker, you have to practice more and more. So let me say, how do I practice English? Well, firstly, I made Messenger and WhatsApp groups with my friends. I talk with them, I chat with them with some topics. Sometimes you will think that in groups we talk unnecessarily. Yeah, that happens, but you have to take steps for it. You can say that let's talk about global warming, let's talk about our debate club, or let's talk about any particular topics. So, you can make a group like me, and also we have a group in our school. Like we have a club in our school, like debating clubs, language clubs. So in the language clubs, I practice English with them, with my friends, and also with all the students of my school. So, if you think that you don't have any friends, so how can I practice English? So, you can practice English with yourself. And the question is how? So, when I don't have anyone at my home, or sometimes I don't talk with my friends, I talk with myself. I stand in front of the mirror and I think that someone is standing before me and I talk with myself. I ask myself that how are you, and I say that yeah, I'm fine, what about you? So make yourself your friend and think that you are the only one who can develop yourself, and if you want to develop your skills in vocabularies, I can give you a hack that I always do. So the hack is, every week I write down 5 words with 5 sentences in my diary and I memorize them. After 1 week, I open my diary and see that the words are memorized or not. If these words are not memorized, then I memorize them again, and after 1 week, I see that yeah, that all are memorized. So in this way, you can develop your vocabulary skills, and you can develop your vocabulary skills in another ways. Like I watch different kinds of movies and I read books. So from books, I read storybooks and science fiction books. So sometimes some words are not known to me and I write down in my diary those words. And every week I write down the meaning of the words and I memorize them. So in this way, I develop my skills and vocabulary. You can also do the hack at your home, and in this way you can practice English. And everyone have a question to me that some of my friends ask me that if I want to be a good speaker, do I need to learn grammar? I will say no and yes, but because if you think that only grammar can make you a good speaker, so it's not true, because to be a good speaker you have to practice more. Like if you don't have confidence to talk, if you have shyness, you can't talk in English. So yeah, for talking in English, you have to learn grammars. To be advanced in English, you have to learn grammar. But grammar is not that much necessary to speak in English. Grammar is necessary to be developed and to be advanced in English. So that is the answer to be a good speaker. So shake off your shyness and be confident and talk with everyone, communicate with everyone, make friends, and be a good speaker as me. So that's all for today. Bye bye.